everyone, welcome back to the next episode of IP Gives a Damn. We talk about what's happening in digital disruption, and please do follow along at the hashtag IP Gives a Damn. And so, summertime clearly dictates Insightpool sunglasses, and one of the topics that we're going over is the evolution of data science. From last week's episode where we touched on this, is diving deeper into truly understanding what that means and on social media. So let's take this for example. We all know that the world is completely changing when it comes to how people reach one another. The evolution of influencer marketing is skyrocketing today because people realize they can't just speak to somebody direct. They have to go through somebody else that can speak on their behalf. Well, understanding that from a data science perspective takes into account something called mapping. And so this means you may be connected to somebody, but how often and how strong is the strength of that relationship? Data science can measure how often those patterns of interaction are actually happening, and then how often those interactions are leading to subsequent interactions. So for example, if you're a brand manager, one thing that you should be thinking about as you research different ways to have your brand's message move is truly understanding the science behind that. So how often, when somebody says somebody's first name, does that get a reciprocity reaction? So when you're tailoring all of your different messaging and you're tailoring who you should speak to, you need to dive a lot further and more in depth into each of those processes. So just to start, think of mapping of connections between parties, and think about reciprocity of just using somebody's name. And that's just the beginning. We'll get back to you shortly on the next episode as we dive deeper. Hashtag IP Gives a Damn.